Lecture 6. Working with text in Canva. So far, we have looked into the Canva editor and added elements to your design. Now, it's time to focus on one of the most important parts of any visual project, text. Whether you are making a poster, resume, Instagram post, or presentation, how your text looks can shape your entire design. In this lecture, you will learn how to add text to your Canva projects, adjust fonts and styles, and format your layout to make your message clear and visually appealing. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to add text to your Canva design using the editor tools, apply different fonts and styles, format your text using size, alignment, spacing, and effects. Use text hierarchy effectively for better readability. Adding text in Canva. To add text in Canva, click the Text tab from the left sidebar. In here, you will see three quick options like heading, subheading, and a body text. Each option inserts a text box with a preset size and style, but you can adjust everything once it's on the canvas. For example, you just need a heading for the first time, and you can click on that, and here you can see. Just click to type in here, and you will have backspace it and write business analysis, for example, and click outside the box, and here you can see. Then drag to move the text wherever you want. For example, you just need it here at the top. So here you can see you have the heading for this presentation slide. Example: imagine you are designing a digital flyer for a workshop like this one. You could use a large heading for the event name. Here you can see we have used a large heading for this one as a size of 86.2, and you can change it to 90, for example. A smaller subheading for the date and time. Here you can see we have date and time as well. And body text for location details or registration information, or what this workshop is all about. This clear hierarchy helps viewers scan and understand your content at first sight. Choosing fonts and styles. Once you have added your text, look at the top toolbar to customize it. Here you will find options. For example, you just want to customize this heading, you can click on that, and you will have all options like change the font, size of the font, color of the font, make it bold, italic, underline, uppercase it, or make the alignment, user effects, animate it, or position of this text. Canva offers hundreds of fonts, both classic and modern. If you're creating a resume, for example, you are working on a resume, you might choose a clean, professional font like Open Sans or Lato. You can just click on that and go in here, and you can just search for that. For example, Lato. This is a Lato font, but if you want to go with Open Sans, you can click on that, and you can use any of these. For example, you just choose this one. This comes with a premium, so we won't be able to use for now, and you can use this one as well. This font is considered as formal as well. But for a birthday invite, like if you are working on a birthday poster, something playful like Pacifico or Chewy might be a better fit. When you click on that, and you can just write as Pacifico. You can use this one. This font might fit the theme, and you can just adjust it later. And you can just go in here, click on center. So you have this in center. You can make text bold, italicized, or even uppercase with one click. Canva also allows you to change letter spacing and line height, which helps when you are working with longer paragraphs or want to fine-tune layout details. For example, if you're working on this one, you can zoom in and you can click on this paragraph, and here you can change the spacing as well, like letter spacing. Here you can see it changes. And you can change line spacing as well. You can use any of these that expand the text box. So this is how you can use this as per your needs and requirement. You can zoom out for that. Using text effects and color. Click on a text box like this one and choose effects from the top toolbar to open additional styling options like in here. You will find shadow, lift, outline, glitch, echo, neon, and all these options available. Shadow adds depth behind your text. Lift creates a subtle pop-out effect. Outline in here draws an edge around each letter. And if you choose neon, glitch, or echo, good for eye-catching titles or social media posts. The text color can be changed using the color picker, where you can select from Canva's palette, enter a hex code, or use brand colors if you have saved them. A high contrast color, for example, as you are working on this one, like white text on a dark background, makes your text more readable. Here you can see we have black background and white color text. Aligning and organizing text. Alignment helps your design look clean and intentional. In Canva, you can left align, center, or right align your text using the toolbar. You can also group multiple text boxes to move them as one unit, or use Canva's snap guides to line up your elements. For example, you can click on that, go to File, Settings, and click on Add Guides, and click on 3x3, Add Guides, and you can go to File, Settings again, and go to Show Margins as well. And these guides lets you know that the text is in the center or where it should be. Example: when creating a slide presentation, keeping your headings aligned across each slide gives your design a professional and consistent feel. For example, when you click on that one, as we have, so here you can see when you click on the position, it is in the center, and here when you just move it a little further, for example here, this doesn't look professional. When you just click on that, click on position and click on center, so here you can see it is center aligned and looks more professional. And to align a text, for example, you just go to this slide and click on text box, go to body and paste a text, for example this one. You can change the style of that. For that you can just click on that and go to, for example, this one, and change the size to 25, and you can just remove this one to make it a little smaller. Click on position, go to center and middle. So here you can see this text look more formal and professional. And if you want to make this text right aligned or left aligned, for that you can just select this text, click in here, alignment, and this is left aligned. And when you click on that again, it is in justified form, where the text fits in this box. And when you just click it again, it is right aligned. And when you just click on it again, it is center aligned. So this is how you can change the alignment of your text.